When you get that notice from the Department of Agriculture questioning your hemp license, your heart might skip a beat. It's a moment no hemp business owner wants to face, but how you respond in the next few days can make all the difference. I'm Zach Lawson with the Hemp Law Group, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do when facing licensing questions. The first thing you need to know is that licensing disputes come in several forms. You might be dealing with an application denial, a license suspension, or compliance violations. Each type requires a different approach, but they all share one critical factor: time is not on your side. Let me be clear about something. Timing isn't just important, it's everything. Most jurisdictions have strict deadlines for appealing decisions or responding to violations. Miss these deadlines and you could lose your right to appeal entirely. That's why immediate action is essential when you receive any notice from the Department of Agriculture. Now, let's talk about your immediate response. The moment you receive any communication about your license, you need to gather all the relevant documents. This includes your original application materials, all correspondence with the department, and any evidence that supports your position. Think of it as building your defense. The stronger your documentation, the better your position. This is exactly where Hemp Law Group steps in. When you hire us, we immediately review your documentation and develop a strategic response plan. We'll handle all communication with the department, ensuring every deadline is met and every response is carefully crafted. Our team has handled many of these cases. We know what documentation carries weight with regulators and what arguments resonate most effectively. We'll build a comprehensive defense strategy, whether that means negotiating directly with officials or preparing for formal appeals. More importantly, while we handle your legal challenges, you can focus on running your business. We'll keep you informed at every step, but you won't have to worry about missing deadlines or making costly mistakes in your response. Throughout any dispute process, documentation becomes your best friend. Every phone call, every email, every meeting with the department needs to be documented. Keep copies of everything you submit and everything you receive. This documentation isn't just for your current situation, it helps protect your interest in all future interactions with the department. Understanding the department's perspective can be incredibly valuable. Remember, their primary concern is ensuring public safety and regulatory compliance. When you can demonstrate that you share these goals through documented compliance programs and corrective actions, you build credibility that can help resolve current and future disputes. Sometimes technical requirements or testing results are at the heart of a dispute. In these cases, consider seeking independent verification. Third-party laboratory analysis or expert opinions can provide powerful support for your position. Just make sure that any independent verification meets all regulatory requirements and is properly documented. Here's something crucial to remember. While you're dealing with a dispute in one area, you need to maintain perfect compliance in all other aspects of your operation. A dispute about one issue shouldn't lead to problems in other areas. Continuing to demonstrate overall regulatory compliance strengthens your position and resolving the specific dispute at hand. The best approach to licensing disputes is preventing them in the first place. Implement robust compliance programs, maintain detailed records, and stay informed about regulatory requirements and changes. Regular self-audits and proactive communication with the department can help identify and address potential issues before they become formal disputes. At Hemp Law Group, we've guided numerous hemp businesses through licensing disputes with the Department of Agriculture. We understand that these situations are stressful, but remember, with the right approach and proper guidance, most licensing disputes can be resolved successfully. Whether you're facing a current dispute or want to prevent future issues, we're here to help protect your license and your business.